Most people think getting a job in Norway with visa sponsorship is impossible. But today, I'll show you exactly how people are getting jobs in Norway using one website most foreigners don't understand properly. If you want to work legally in Norway, stay till the end because I'll show you how to spot companies that can sponsor visas. If you are new here, welcome to Travel Talk. I share the opportunities for working, studying, and relocating abroad legally and step by step. Now, let's get straight into it. Finn.no is Norway's largest official marketplace. Think of it as Norway's version of Indeed, LinkedIn, Jobs, and Craigslist combined, but much more trusted locally. Employers in Norway prefer Finn.no because it is where a company posts real jobs. This is important. Finn.no is not only for Norwegians. International job seeker can apply, but you must understand how to filter jobs properly and approach employer professionally. And that's where most people fail. Go to Finn.no, click on job, then select Ledig Stillinger, which means available jobs. Now, this is the secret. Instead of searching random jobs, search for skill-based roles, not general labels. Here is the high demand keyword to search: engineer, IT/developer, technician, electrician, mechanics, welder, health assistants, cleaner, via companies, not individuals. These roles are more likely to qualify for work permit in Norway. Filter for the company that can sponsor. Now, listen carefully. Norway does not write visa sponsorship openly like Canada or UK. Instead, you look for signs like full in English, company hiring multiple workers, words like for international environment, English is working language, we assist with relocation, company websites links in the job post. If a company already hiring internationally, they understand the visa process. Before applying, confirm that the role matches Norway skilled worker requirement. You must have relevant education experience, a full-time job offer, salary that meets Norway's minimum requirements. If the job meets this, the employer can sponsor your resident permit. Do not apply like everyone else. Here is how to stand out. Use a European-style CV. Keep it 1 to 2 pages. Add a short, clear cover letter. In your cover letter, clearly say, I am eligible to apply for a Norwegian skilled worker resident permit if offered the role. This tells the employer you are serious and informed. Here is a secret most people don't use. Many Finn.no job posts include a contact person. Send a polite email asking if international candidates are welcome, if the company has hired non-EU workers before. This alone increases your chance massively. Please avoid these mistakes. Applying without relevant skill, sending long emotional messages, asking about visa first, before showing value. Applying to fake agent. Finn.no is direct employer hiring. Once you get a job offer, employer send official contract. You apply for a skilled worker resident permit. You wait for approval before relocating. Everything is legal and transparent. If you want a Finn.no job search checklist, CV template that works in Norway, email template to contact employer, comment Norway below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to work abroad.